US EV9 owners, if you own one of these cars, then there's about to be a recall coming in the mail to you. It is in regard to the remote smart parking assist system. It affects pretty much every EV9 that has been sold in the United States from when it first went on sale until the end of May of 2024. This recall isn't a simple over-the-air software update. You're gonna have to go into your dealership. So if you own an EV9 in the United States and wanna know more, then stay tuned. Hey everyone, it's the Ioniq guy. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. I cover all things Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis EV related, and today we're talking Kia EV9. So if you own an EV9 and this is your first time to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. You'll get to see any new videos that I put out, and I talk a lot about all Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis cars, and basically a lot of the stuff I say about Hyundai applies to Kia as well because they're sister companies and a lot of their products share a lot of the same components. So the official recall notice has not been mailed out yet, but we have early access to it via NHTSA's website, the National Highway Transportation Safety Administration. So let's go ahead and take a look at that document. So this is recall 24V-693, part 573 safety recall report. They submitted this on September 17th to NHTSA. And if you go into the dealership without the letter, you're gonna wanna reference recall SC324. That's the manufacturer recall number. So going down, you can see this is for Kia America Incorporated. Number of potentially involved, 12,400. So that's basically all EV9s sold from when it started sales in the US until the end of May of 2024. And that's end of May for production, which means it probably took another 6 weeks for those cars produced in Korea to make their way to the United States. So if you bought a Kia EV9 up until, let's say, beginning of July, you likely are going to have this problem. Certain 2024 model year EV9 GT line and land vehicles equipped with remote smart parking assist manufactured from September 25th, 2023 through May 28th, 2024. The recall population was determined by a review of vehicle and supplier production records. The vehicles subject to this recall were not produced in VIN order. The subject vehicles are equipped with a feature called RSPA. RSPA allows a driver to remotely move the vehicle forward or reverse by pressing and holding a button on the key fob. Due to an error with the integrated electronic brake IEB software, repeated RSPA stops at or less than approximately 2 miles per hour may result in the application of insufficient brake pressure. Insufficient brake pressure can result in extended stopping distances while using RSPA. So this is worrisome because you're not in the car and you are supposed to be in control of the car with the button, but if the button isn't telling the car to do exactly what it needs to do, which is stop on a dime when I release that button, you could impact a car you're trying to park between, or worse, you could hit a pedestrian or something. I've showcased this feature on many cars that I've reviewed on the channel, and I've stood in front of the car to demonstrate that utilizing the front parking sensors, it will stop for a pedestrian or a bicyclist or whatever. But it's kind of scary to think that maybe it might not have actually stopped for me all the times that it actually did. So good to see that they are recalling over this problem. But it does sound like it is all based on software logic. So scrolling down, you will see a description of the remedy. All owners of subject vehicles will be notified by the mail, blah, 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 to bring it in for a software update to this part of the car. The updated IEB software will apply high brake pressure in all RSPA braking conditions. And they go on to say that if the car was manufactured after May 29th, 2024, it has that updated software already, so no need to go in for this recall. So the planned dealer notification begin and end date is September 20th, 2024. Owner notification will begin on October 18th. So that is still several weeks out. Now, unfortunately, I don't have an EV9 and I don't have access to their app. At least with Hyundai, if you want to get a recall done sooner, you can go into the Blue Link app and make an appointment. And usually the recalls show up there way before the letters go out. The same thing is probably true with Kia Connect, but I can't say with 100% certainty whether that is a fact or not. But irregardless, if this is something that you use with your Kia EV9, you're going to want to get this recall taken care of. And even if you don't use it all the time, if you have it and you bring your car in for any future service, it is a recall. They are legally required to install this fix to the car. but your dealer should let you know at that point in time that it's going to take a little longer to install this new software. But that's pretty much it for this document. There's not much other information in here, but expect letters to come to you in the next 3 weeks or so. And beyond that, I would say, yeah, go out and get this recall. It sounds like it's pretty important, especially if this is a feature that you use. But anyway, if you appreciated this information, be sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like. It really helps me out. And EV9 owners know that when things like this happen, I will cover them on my channel. Now, EV9 owners, something you might not like is the fact that your car does not automatically lock when you walk away. Now, I sell a device on my store, ioniqguy.com, that you can use to automatically lock all the doors on your car without having to press any buttons at all. You just get out of the car, shut all the doors, walk away. 10 seconds later, all the doors will lock. This installs via the trailer light wiring harness in your car, and it's a pretty easy install. I have installation instructions linked below this video if you're interested. You can purchase it for as little as $135 from my store. So if you guys are anything like me, you're forgetful and forget to lock your car doors sometimes, this will eliminate that issue entirely. So anyway, guys, I will see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.